Hello guys, it's me Denzel Harso. Today we gonna shoot this nerf into the target. Yeah, it's time to fill up the ammo into the nerf gun. Nice. We have fill up the ammo into here. Okay, so what you gonna do? It's do this, do this, do this. Nice. And shoot. Okay, so let's go. So we here, and this is the target, that green thingy, and this is the gun. So we gonna shoot it. Okay, great. Yes, great. Now let's. Okay, one more. One more. Oh, forgot. I forgot to this thing. Nice. So, okay. Here. Nice. We got that. So, goodbye.